Fit as a Fiddle, Unveiling the Secrets of English Idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, fit as a fiddle. This idiom is commonly used, but what does it actually mean? And where does it come from? Stick around as we explore the origins, meanings, and usage of this fascinating expression. We hope this video enriches your understanding of English idioms and spices up your conversational skills. Fit as a fiddle is an idiom that means being in excellent health and physical condition. When someone says they're fit as a fiddle, they're expressing that they feel very healthy, energetic, and ready to tackle any task. It's important to note that this phrase focuses more on one's overall sense of well-being and less on specific physical fitness or athletic ability. The phrase, fit as a fiddle, dates back to the 17th century, and interestingly, it has more to do with being suitable or appropriate than with fitness in the modern sense. The fiddle, or violin, is an instrument that requires careful tuning to produce the right sound. Thus, being fit as a fiddle originally meant being as right or as proper as a well-tuned violin. Over time, the meaning shifted to associate fit with physical health and condition. Using fit as a fiddle in conversation is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few examples. After recovering from a cold, you might say, "I'm feeling fit as a fiddle now." When someone asks about your grandmother who exercises daily, you could respond, "Oh, she's fit as a fiddle." Remember, this idiom is usually used to express a high level of health or well-being and is often used somewhat lightheartedly. English is rich with idioms that express health and well-being. Here are a few similar expressions. In tip-top shape means being in excellent condition or health. As healthy as a horse suggests robust health, referencing the strength and endurance of horses. Understanding these idioms can help you express yourself more vividly and understand the nuances of English conversations. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, fit as a fiddle, and can now use it confidently in your conversations. Idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making it more expressive and vibrant. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more interesting aspects of the English language with you. Stay healthy, or should we say, stay fit as a fiddle.